Hey, Service Autopilot pros, Scott here. If you run a cleaning business in 2026, you know the pressure. More competitors, tight labor, and clients who expect more for the same price. So let's get right to it and talk about what actually moves the needle. Here's the truth most cleaning businesses learn the hard way. It costs way more to win a new client than it does to keep ones you already have. When you lose a client you've served for years, you're not just losing revenue. You're losing the routes, the rhythm, and the operational efficiency you built around them. That's why consistency is the most valuable thing that you sell. And consistency lives or dies with your labor. Turnover is high, onboarding never stops, and every time a trained crew member walks out the door, your service quality takes a hit. New workers just don't know the client's preferences. In residential, they notice when baseboards get skipped. Trust is built visit by visit and can be lost in one. In commercial, the stakes are higher. A missed cleaning isn't just a complaint, it can be a contract violation. So how do the best cleaning businesses protect themselves? Two things. First, recurring contracts. Weekly, bi-weekly, nightly, it all helps. Predictable revenue, simpler scheduling. Second, connected systems. Scheduling, job assignments, checklists, time tracking, client communication. It all has to talk to each other, because when your systems are disconnected, small problems compound fast. So, as we keep moving through 2026, keep this short list in mind. Protect your base before chasing new clients. Retention drives your profitability. Invest in your people, guys. Stable labor means consistent service. Lean into recurring contracts. That's how you build a business you can forecast. And keep communication clear. Clients should never have to wonder what happened or what comes next. So, that's the pulse on the cleaning industry as we continue to move through 2026. And if you want to dig deeper into how to grow your cleaning business, check out our blog. I'm Scott, content creator here at Service Autopilot. Thanks for watching.